Hello Ride On people, I have the old Triumph Motorcycles shirt on tonight because off to the Monday night garage in Atlanta for the Triumph Bonneville Icons Tour. Triumph have invited me down there to see the latest and greatest Bonnevilles, and gonna drag my old mate Eric along as well, who's a Triumph fan also. He's got the tricked up Triumph bobber, and we're gonna have a fun evening downtown. Stick around. We'll show you how we get on.
Treat me wrong, come and love you, daddy, all night long, all right now. Hey, hey, all right. See the girl with the diamond ring, she knows how to shake that thing, all right now, now, now. Hey, 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 hey. Tell your pa, I'm gonna send you back to Arkansas. Oh, yes, ma'am. You don't do right. Don't do right. Oh, play it, boy. When you see me in misery, come on, baby, see about me now, yeah. Hey, hey, all right. See the girl with the red dress on, she can do the birdland all night long, yeah, yeah. What I say, all right.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.